Let's create these gorgeous micro crochet daisies. Today's tutorial we will need white and yellow sewing threads, 0.5mm hook, scissors, an embroidery needle. Let's make it. We will start with the yellow. And we'll start with the magic ring. And chain. We will work 12 half double crochets in the magic ring. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we'll close the magic ring. And we'll do a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. And then we'll cut the yarn. So to secure this not to go and get undone, I'll do a little knot. And now I'll put the two ends like that, so when we work, we'll work them in the actual project. So we finish with the yellow, and now we'll continue with the white. And you can start anywhere. What I like doing is the stitch just next to the knot, so we work onto these two loose ends from the beginning, and just add the white color, pull through, and then we chain 4, 3, 4, and from now onwards we will work treble crochet stitch. So we go into the same stitch, we we work 1 treble crochets. Then we chain 4, and then we go into the next stitch and do a slip stitch. So we've done the first petal. Look how cute it is. So this is what we're going to do 11 more times. I will talk to you through the next one, and then I'll just work around. So we do chain 4, yarn over twice, and then go into the same stitch and do the treble crochet, and then chain 4, and then go to the next stitch and do a slip stitch. So we'll do this another 10 times. And remember always to put these loose ends at the back. You can see how nice and tight is at the back, so it doesn't matter which one is front to back, although this is the front. It is so nicely done, so you can get it from both sides. And now chain 4. last 12th petal. So exactly the same thing. Chain 4. And a treble crochet in the same stitch. Chain 4. So we go in here in the first stitch, just do a slip stitch, then we chain 1 and we cut. So these loose ends are nicely secured, so we'll cut them, but again be careful not to cut the work. And the end we just work with, we're just going to secure it here. We'll just do it a little bit more, and then we'll cut the thread. And we created a very lovely daisy. So you can go ahead and make another one for earrings. So if you want, you can just have one for a little pendant, and we will post a link how you can put them on a hardware, but normally I'll go in one of these petals and put the hard work there. Look how gorgeous this is, absolutely gorgeous. And you can see what we've created. Absolutely gorgeous daisies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.